use what I call the fifth fret method. It does depend on you using your ears. It can be frustrating when you're a beginner, but persistence pays off and it's good ear training. So the fifth fret method, we'll start with the low E string. You need to tune this string so you have a reference for the rest of the strings. I usually use either a piano if it's handy or a little pitch pipe that has that low E note, and I'll match that note in the pitch pipe to this string. I'll adjust it until they sound similar or the same, as close as I can get. Then the fifth fret, here's where it comes in. I'll count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put my finger on the fifth fret of that sixth string. Now that's the note I want for the fifth string. Not quite. So I'm going to now adjust the fifth string until it sounds the same. This is the tricky part for beginners. And I'm looking for a sound where the strings kind of sound like one sound instead of this kind of wobbly, slightly dissonant sound. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, persistence pays off. Don't worry about not getting it perfect the first time around. As you do it, you'll get better and better. Next, we go to the next string, the fifth string, and I'm going to put my finger on the fifth fret and match that fourth string to that note. It already sounds pretty good. Fourth string, I'll put my finger on the fifth fret. Now I'm going to tune that third string to that note. And then on the third string, I'm going to put my finger on the fourth fret. It's just the way the guitar is made. A little different than the other strings, but I'm going to tune the second string to that note.